Hi everyone, I'm glad to see you on my channel. I invite you to crochet my new pattern that I created recently with beads. Crochet hook 1.4 millimeters and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn and beads. Before the work, I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Please join me, and looks great. Let's crochet my ribbon. I will start from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. My foundation chain is ready. Then I draw seed beads. Before the work, I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Yarn over the hook with seed bead. Make a chain with seed bead. Yarn over the hook with seed bead. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. Make half double crochet 1. In total it should be 5 half double crochet with seed bead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make the last one. The first row of the lace tape is ready. Let's crochet the next row. It is going to be row 2. Make a chain with seed bead. Turn the work. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Make single crochet. It is going to be a row of single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well done. Continue. Make a chain of 2. Continue. Draw seed bead. Make a chain with seed bead. Turn the work. It is going to be a row with seed bead. Work into the each stitch. In total it should be 5 half double crochet in a row. Let's crochet them. Yarn over the hook. Make half double crochet. 1. Make the second half double crochet into the next chain stitch. 2. 3. 4. and 5. Well done. I leave 2 stitches, 1, 2. Everything is correct. I continue working on my first segment, make a chain with seed bead, turn the work, make single crochet into each stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Well done. Then chain of 2, draw seed beads, make a chain with seed bead, turn the work, then make half double crochet with seed bead. I will begin and you will continue by yourself. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch, make half double crochet, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have done 5 half double crochet. I leave 2 stitches, make a chain with seed bead, turn the work. Continue with the next row, make single crochet in row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then chain of 2, then draw a seed bead, make a chain with seed bead. Continue working in this way as many times as you need. Pattern consists of only 2 rows. One of them is row with seed beads and another one is without them. So continue working on your project by yourself. So my ribbon is almost ready. And now I show you how to complete this ribbon together. Then I will show you how to complete this ribbon. This is the back side of the ribbon. I am done a row of single crochet and let's complete this project together. To secure the yarn by making a chain, I have already cut off the yarn and pull it. So that's it. My project is ready. You can leave a long piece of yarn to sew accessories for jewelry. So here how my project looks like. For this project you just need to have seed beads, ball of yarn and crochet hook. Let's look at my beautiful examples. Both of them I am done in the same way as I did in the video tutorials. Both of them I am done in the same way as I showed you before in this video. My pattern consists of only 2 rows. One row is with beads and another one is without them. You don't need to spend a lot of time. You just need to know how to crochet half double crochet and single crochet. You can use any color of yarn and any crochet hook. Don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. See you in the next video tutorials. Have a nice day or evening. Bye!